Hello, welcome to Marine Courses Center. Today we're gonna to know how to insert a waypoint to GPS step by step. I have got a message from someone and he was asking me about he want to insert a waypoint for GPS. So right now we're gonna to talk about it. In this video you will gonna to know how to do this step by step, okay? So let's start. First of all, you have to know something so important. All ships have a GPS and GPS is different from one ship to another ship. So the most important thing is to find the GPS user manual for your device. So right now we're gonna to explain this for a type or a device of GPS, but maybe you don't have this on your ship. So what you're gonna do, you have to search for your GPS user manual. So right now we're gonna to explain how we're gonna to insert a waypoint for GPS by using this type of GPS. First of all, I will go for, you're gonna to see a menu here and you're gonna to see menu, escape and another button and many buttons. So what we're gonna to do, if you want to insert a waypoint, all you have to do first to click on waypoint RTE and you can see it on the row showing you what is this button. So we're gonna to click on this button. After we click on this button, you're gonna to find something like a new menu and you have here like many things, okay? So you're gonna to find, right now we are in route planning, it's number 5. No, we just want to go for number 4, okay? So to go for number 4, we're gonna click on this arrow. As you can see, we will click on up direction to move to number 4. Yeah, as you can see here, we are moving from number 5 to number 4, okay? Right now we're gonna to click on enter. As you can see here in the menu, okay, we're gonna to click on enter and you can see it on the arrow. After that you will see a waypoint or a new menu having all a waypoint you have for GPS. So if you want to edit a waypoint or if you want to insert a new waypoint, you're gonna to find, for example, like 10 or 12 or more than or 20 waypoints. These waypoints you already have it on your GPS. So if you want to edit any one or if you want to insert a new one, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna move for the one that we're gonna to edit or the one we're gonna to insert. So to move up or down, we're gonna to use this cursor. So we want to move down, so we're gonna to click on this cursor. So as you can see here, we want to insert a new waypoint. So that's we're gonna to do, we're gonna to click on this waypoint 018 to insert a new one. And if we want to just edit another waypoint, we're gonna to go, for example, for 047 and then we're gonna to click on edit, okay? We're gonna to move for this one and then we're gonna to click on another thing. So right now, after we choose our waypoint, we're gonna to click on enter to insert this waypoint. Now we have another menu or another page. So we want to insert latitude and longitude. As you can see here in this page or in this menu, you're gonna to find like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So this what is we're gonna to use it for insert our latitude and our longitude. If we wanted to change the latitude from north to south, or if we wanted to change longitude from east to west, we're just gonna to click on this button called tune. So after we already make our latitude and longitude, we're gonna to click on the menu, this button called enter. Thank you for keep watching this video, and please if anyone have any question you can just tell me, and